Hi guys, this is Harshala, and in today's video I am going to be sharing my shower routine with you guys. Now, since the time I have moved into this new apartment, I have been wanting to film this video because I think the bathroom here is just so aesthetic, at least in my opinion. So yeah, I'm here and let's just jump right in. Okay, we have to light up a candle to set the mood, right? Okay, so the one that I have here is by Bath and Body Works. It's from their aromatherapy range. It's called Stress Relief. It's so good. It has eucalyptus in it and it's extremely relaxing and it smells pretty minty. I also have a body wash on the same scent and I absolutely love this scent. Now, this day I champied my hair. Now, I haven't been oiling my hair as much, but this day, I don't know, I just felt like it, so I did it. And I'm just finger combing through my hair, making sure that there are no knots whatsoever, and yeah, jumping right into the shower. Okay, since I had oil in my hair, I'm making sure that I'm rinsing my hair thoroughly. I anyway do rinse my hair thoroughly, but especially on the days that I have oil in my hair, I really like to spend my time rinsing my hair. Once I'm satisfied, I move on to the shampoo, and I'm not very particular. I use whichever that I have. Currently, I'm using the Dove Breakage Repair. It's really nice. It says that it's sulfate free, but why I like it is because it still lathers up really well. I also like to switch up my shampoos. Currently, I've been switching up between L'Oreal's Liss Unlimited and this one. The Liss Unlimited one is really good for the days where my hair is extremely frizzy and untamed, while the Dove Breakage Repair really cleanses my hair. To use this especially on the days when I have oiled my hair. I think it definitely cleanses and leaves my scalp and hair feeling extremely clean. I usually also like to go in with a second wash whenever I have champied my hair, because I have noticed that the oil doesn't come off with just one wash, so I have to go in with a second wash. I'm just finger combing my hair and wringing out any extra water. I also sometimes like to go in and kind of, pat my hair with a cotton t-shirt and then go in with the conditioner. That also really helps, but today I did not feel like doing it, so I'm just wringing out the excess water and then I'm going to go ahead and use a conditioner. I'm using this conditioner like a hair mask, so I'm going to keep this in for a little longer, maybe 3 to 4 minutes, and yeah, I'm just going to put it in a bun. Now, this is just my second time using this body wash by Bath and Body Works. It's called Gingham, and I think it's fine. I also have their body mist, and I think it smells very similar to the one by Layers Water Girl. Again, that is also in a blue colored bottle. Let me know if you also feel that. And then I'm just washing my body. I'm obsessed with exfoliating my body, and I have been using this one, which is Dove's Exfoliating Body Polish. It has pomegranate seeds and shea butter. Oh my god, this smells so good. I also like the other one, which smells like baked vanilla cookies. I think it's called vanilla something only. It comes in this light yellow bottle. yeah, like I'll still link it down below so you guys can check it out. It's so good, but I ran out of mine and this is the one that I've been trying. So yeah, really like to spend my time while doing this. So I will exfoliate my elbows, my knees, my neck really well. I love doing this. Then I'm just rinsing off my hair and just washing off the conditioner that was sitting in my hair for a really long time, and also washing my body. I don't really I don't really shave. So for some days I like to shave. I use this razor. I just thought of showing it to you guys since I think it's extremely like environment friendly. So you can use this one, which is just a stainless steel normal regular. I think my grandpa used to use this. Okay, for the feminine wash, I really like using this one. It's lacticid. My mommy recommended it to me, and she's a doctor. I think when I got my when I got my periods for the first time, this is what she recommended I should start using. So I haven't stopped ever since. This is what I have been using, and it's great. Now I got this towel dry thingy from Nykaa recently, and I was really confused here. I was struggling. I didn't know what I was doing. Then I figured it out, and yeah, I think I still have done this wrong here. Uske baad mein I actually did put it the right way. Ooh, now for my favorite part. I love this. I have a lot of like body butters, body creams and moisturizers. I love putting this on, and this combo that I recently found out about, it's so damn good. It's been something that I've been wearing for like a straight week, and yeah, I'm obsessed. So it's In the Stars by Bath and Body Works. Earlier I did not really like it, but now it has definitely grown on me, and I love putting this together. I also like to go in with a body oil, especially during winters. Not so much right now, but I just thought of like including it here. So the one that I have been using is by Plum Body Loving. It's vanilla oil, I guess. It's so good. Oh my god, that was my go-to during winters. Every time I do this, I feel like a bad bitch, and yeah, I don't know, I smell so expensive and I feel so good. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.